The second part of the civil engineering surveying section, that is classification of surveying. Mainly we can divide surveying into two categories. This is the primary classification of surveying. One is plane surveying and the other is geodetic surveying. Plane surveying refers to situations where we consider the curvature of the earth in our calculations, and geodetic surveying refers to situations where we do not consider the curvature of the earth in our calculations. Plane surveying is generally used for small areas or for areas less than 250 square kilometers, and geodetic surveying is typically done for areas greater than 250 square kilometers. In plane surveying, the lines drawn are straight lines and the angles are plane angles. And in geodetic surveying, the lines are curved lines or spherical lines and the angles are spherical angles. Plane surveys are usually carried out by various state agencies such as the Irrigation Department and Railway Department. And geodetic survey is usually carried out by the Survey of India Department. This is the difference between plane survey and geodetic survey. Next we will move on to secondary classification. The first category within secondary classification is based on instruments. Based on instruments we can divide surveys into chain survey, compass survey, plane table survey and theodolite survey. Chain, compass, plane, table, theodolite, each of these is a surveying instrument. We use them to conduct surveys in various ways, which we will discuss in the next class. Based on methods, we can divide it into two types depending on the method used. That is, whether we divide a certain area into triangles or use a traverse method. One is triangulation and the second is traverse. Triangulation means we divide an area into a number of triangles, and traverse means we enclose an area with the help of a series of connecting lines to conduct the survey. Besides this, it is also done based on the object, such as geological surveying or mine surveying. Nature of field refers to which field we are surveying, whether it's land or marine. Astronomical surveys are also conducted. Land survey can again be divided into several parts, such as topographical survey. By topography, we understand the terrain of a particular area. For example, what rivers, hills, or mountains are present there. There is also cadastral survey. Cadastral surveys are carried out to demarcate the boundary lines of any property. Then there's city survey, which identifies where different areas are located within a city, where streets or water bodies are. Additionally, there's engineering survey, which depicts various engineering details like roads, railways, and all such projects.